You tried everything, but your scale just won't move? Watch in today's video 5 foods that you have at home that can help you on your weight loss journey. Usually, we relate weight loss diets with something expensive and hard to keep. A healthy diet with common foods can keep us nourished and satiated for much longer. These 5 foods are low in calories, but will keep you feeling satisfied. Ginger. Did you know that drinking ginger tea boosts your immunity? It's because it is rich in vitamin C. Besides that, ginger is thermogenic, being a good option when you want to lose weight since it accelerates your metabolism and burns fat. Lemon. Because of vitamin C and its antioxidant properties, it detoxifies your body, helping you lose weight. Besides that, the soluble fiber present in lemon, pectin, promotes the sensation of satiety. Try including lemon water in your routine. Cucumber. Rich in water, iron, potassium, beta-carotene, and vitamins A, B, and C, cucumber is great to keep your body functioning. It also keeps you hydrated for a long time and helps you lose weight, for being diuretic and depurative. Tomato-like cucumber. Tomatoes are rich in water and low in calories. Mushrooms. They are a superfood, rich in vitamins D and B complex, phosphorus, potassium, and selenium. They are low in calories and fats. Of every 100 grams of mushrooms, 3% is made of proteins. Remember, these foods must be consumed every day, and must be combined with regular exercise and a diet poor in sugar and processed foods. All these foods also help with intestinal functioning, prevent fluid retention, and boost the metabolism. Also check the description under this video to find other remedy. Please give a like for this video and subscribe for a channel for more tips and product reviews.